Hello, welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. My name is Harshada and let us start with today's video. We will be learning Scratch programming today. So, what are the topics we will learn today?
We will be learning basic Scratch programs that first displays a message Hello World. Second, make a sprite move in a circle using the turn block. And third, make a sprite disappear when clicked. So let's get started. Today, we are going to learn the code for a basic Scratch program that displays the message Hello World when the green flag is clicked. So let us open the Scratch website scratch.mit.edu and select Create to start a new project. Let me write the title Hello World. Now we have to drag the when the green flag is clicked block from the events category to the scripting area. This is the events category and this is the when the green flag is clicked. So this is the green flag. When we click on this, the program will start running. Now drag the say block from the looks category and connect it to the when green flag clicked block. This block will display the message Hello World on the screen when the program starts. Now let us see where is the looks block. Here. This is the say block and I will attach it to the when green flag is clicked. We can change the caption Hello World. Now click on the green flag to start the program and watch as the message appears on the screen. Now let me click on green. Yay, we got our output. This block is displaying the message Hello World on the screen. This program is a simple example of how to use Scratch to display a message on the screen. So kids, you can experiment with changing the message, the font, the color, and the position of the message to create your own unique programs. And today, we're going to make a sprite move in a circle using a turn block. This is the scratch.mit.edu website. Let us start the new project by creating a new. First, you have to select the sprite you want to add the code to. So this is, I'm using the default sprite which is given in Scratch, that is of this cat. Now click on the motion category in the code blocks menu. This is the motion category. You have to drag and drop the go to X, Y block onto the scripting area. This is the go to X and Y axis. Change the X and Y values to the center of the circle where you want the sprite to move around. For example, if you want the sprite to move along in a circle around the center of the stage, the X value would be 0 and the Y value would be 0. So let me just change it to 0. Click on the control category in the code blocks menu. Drag and drop the forever block below the go to XY block. We will take this forever block and attach it below the go to X axis. Click on the motion category in the code blocks menu. Drag and drop the turn degrees block inside the forever block. Here is the motion category. This is the turn degrees. We will change it to 10 degrees. Now we have changed this to 10 degrees each time. So each time you want to run this program, this sprite will turn 10 degrees. That's it. Now let us try to run this code. Okay, I added the green flag is clicked and now it is running. Isn't it fun? Today, we are going to make a program that will make Sprite disappear when clicked. Let us open a new Scratch project. We will click on Create. This will open a new project. You have to choose a sprite or character that we want to make it disappear. Let us click the default one. Now, click the Scripts tab to create a new script for the sprite. Let us go to the Events category. When this sprite is clicked, from the Looks category, drag a hide block and snap it below the when this sprite clicked block. So we are in Looks category and we have to find hide button. Now we can test this program by clicking on the sprite. When we click on the sprite, it should disappear when clicked. So let us try to run it. Oh, it disappeared. That's it. So you have created a Scratch program that makes a sprite disappear when clicked. You can customize this program by adding additional actions or animations to the sprite, such as playing a sound or displaying a message when it disappears. We have come so far. We have already learned 3 Scratch programs. We hope you had fun creating these programs with us. Remember, Scratch offers endless possibilities, so feel free to customize on this project and expand on this project. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such exciting Scratch tutorials. Till then, happy coding! Thanks for watching till the end. Please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's spread the coding joy together.